my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I'm doing a packing video. Today I am showing you a packing video of me packing up I guess you could call it an art exchange for Friskwolfiecustoms. They sent, well, I featured them in a video. They sent me something for free in a prior week's video, and now I'm packing up a package to send to them with a couple of different things that I wanted to give to them. The first thing I want to give to them is a rather big thing, but it is very near and dear to my heart. Every year, or at least I try to every year, I do paintings for the local state fair near my home. This is so big you can't even see it. Let me just... Yeah, there we go. And in 2019, I made this, as you can see here, painting right here of a scarab beetle climbing up a pyramid in Egypt at night. This particular painting did not win an award that year, but just showing you the back. But I still love it. So this is the first thing I'm going to send to her. And it just barely fits in here. So I'm going to have to put cotton balls around this little dude. And then, let me set that there for a sec. There we go. I think that looks good. And I'm just going to lie that down inside of here. Again, I don't normally sell or give these away, my paintings from the fair competitions, but with Caitlin Friskwolfiecustoms being a stag beetle like Etsy shop, specifically they specialize in stag beetles, I thought what better a place to give this a home than with them, because this is something near and dear to me, and I hope that they will feel the same way after opening it. I do want to put bubble wrap on it, but I'm not entirely sure because I can't put any on the sides is the problem. So I'm trying to figure out how to do this thing. I could put it diagonally across. I would just have to cut pieces. Let me see if that's manageable. Okay, now I got 2 pieces of bubble wrap that I'm going to tape together. And that way I can wrap it around just the long ways of this painting. There we go. There we go. Perfect. And now I can take this long strip here and just wrap it around the painting. But I'm going to lift it. Yeah, there we go. And wrap it around from the back to the front. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm just going to shove this down back over here. And I'm going to tape that down. The fact that this is something that I don't normally sell, I think for me personally, I hope that you, Caitlin, agree with me, and that the other people watching this agree with me, that this makes it all the more special. But this isn't going to be the only thing I'm putting in this box, hence why the box is so big and deep. The next thing I'm going to be putting is a sculpture. This is a Unwanted series. That sounds terrible, but that's the name of the series for unwanted creatures. And this was Susie the spider. I made this in 2019. I never actually got around to listing it, so again, it's another one of those things where only Caitlin is going to have this. And it's something that to me is really special. Susie the spider was a pet spider that ended up taking over and killing its owner, hence why it became an unwanted pet in my Unwanted collection series, which I did unwanted kids and pets and toys. It was a creepy series I did for a while. I need to do more with it, honestly. But the cryptid cuties I'm working on right now are cryptid cutie critters. Pardon me. Cryptid cutie critters I'm working on right now. It's kind of similar, so I guess that's fine. But I'm going to take this and put this in bubble wrap too. So I'm just going to set it on there and cut a piece to wrap it up. With this one, I'm also going to take one cotton ball, separate it from its seam and unravel it, and just kind of rest it nice and gently on the body/legs. Then just wrap that bad boy up. There we go. Tape, and then a little bit more tape, because you can never have enough tape, in my opinion. And as you can see, I'm still going with the insect theme here. This needed a good home. That needed a good home. And it fits their particular Etsy shop theme. So that's why I was like, this is perfect for them. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can do this long ways. There we go. Perfect. Alright, and I'm just going to set that there. And then the last thing I'm going to be packing is a Fortnite ring that I made. I made these last year. I had more than I needed, so I've just been giving these rings away. It doesn't really fit the theme, but again, they all need a good home, so whether or not you play Fortnite, this is still a really cute little bear ring, and it's adjustable just like all my other rings. Give me one moment, let me grab a cup to put it into. And now I got a cup, and I got bubble wrap. I forgot the word for a second. We're going to wrap this in bubble wrap and roll it. I don't like that. There we go. Sometimes I do it long ways, sometimes I do it diagonal. It's whatever the ring is telling me it wants. Tape it. Tape it again after we get it folded. There we go. There we go. Nice and tight, little baby. I'm just going to take another piece of tape across the top. Tape it down to make sure to stay in there. Alright. And that is everything I'm going to pack. I'm just trying to smush this down. Then I'm going to put some packing peanuts in here. Let me grab those real quick. Make it rain. It might seem a bit excessive how many packing peanuts I'm using, but trust me, if you ship delicate things with how rough the post office is, it's probably necessary. And then I'm using Pirate Ship to print out the label for this. It's free to make an account. Alright, that looks good. Then we're going to get this bad boy some tissue paper. Sorry, I had to stop right there. It was a limit to the video, so I had to stop it. I took the pink out, so I'm going to put white and green for the earthy type tones. There we go. There we go. Then I'm just going to slap one of these bad boys in here and call it a day. And that is what I'm sending to Friskwolfiecustoms. I hope you like everything, Caitlin. All of these items do mean something special to me. Well, maybe not the Fortnite ring, I just made too many. But I didn't have that many rings pre-made, and I wanted to send you a variety of stuff, so I hope you like it. But the rest of the items are definitely near and dear to my heart. They are original artwork that I do really treasure, and I hope you will treasure them in your collection too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in next week's video. I'll see you then. Bye-bye, my bunnies.